Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. Looking to elevate your home's style and energy efficiency? Best Honeycomb shades provide the perfect blend of elegance and insulation. With light control, privacy, and modern design, these shades transform any room into a comfortable, stylish retreat. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. LazBlinds Honeycomb Shade. The LazBlinds Honeycomb Shade offers a convenient, no-drill installation system, making it ideal for renters, homeowners, or anyone looking to avoid damaging window frames. Its patented no-tools, no-drill technology allows for setup in under 30 seconds, fitting a variety of surfaces, including wood, tile, concrete, and rough walls. Designed from inside mount only, this shade comes in a 33 3/5 wide by 64" height size with a unique spring rod that extends 1 inch to accommodate windows measuring 33.7 to 34.6 inches wide. The height is adjustable from 0 to 64 inches, giving flexibility for different window dimensions. Made from premium polyester, the shade filters natural light while maintaining privacy, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, dining areas, or family rooms. The cordless design adds both convenience and safety, eliminating tangled or exposed cords, which is ideal for families with children or pets. Overall, this honeycomb shade blends practicality, style, and safety, offering an easy-to-install solution that improves home comfort and energy efficiency. The soft fabric and modern design make it a versatile addition to just about any room, combining functionality with aesthetic appeal.
Number 2. CHICOLOGY Honeycomb Shade. The CHICOLOGY Honeycomb Shade combines style, functionality, and energy efficiency in one versatile window covering. Available in multiple fabric colors, it can serve as either a light filtering or blackout shade, giving homeowners flexibility depending on room use. The cordless design ensures a clean, uncluttered appearance while promoting safety, particularly in homes with children and pets. These cellular blinds are crafted to provide insulation, ideal for a variety of spaces, from front doors and kitchens to bedrooms. The CHICOLOGY Honeycomb Shade offers both aesthetic appeal and practical benefits. Its combination of light control, thermal insulation, and safe cordless operation makes it a reliable choice for homeowners seeking modern, functional window treatments. With durable construction and attention to detail, these shades enhance privacy while softening natural light, creating a comfortable and stylish atmosphere throughout the home.
Number 3. Allesin Honeycomb Shade. Allesin's Honeycomb Shade is designed to provide complete blackout functionality while maintaining a sleek and modern appearance. Made from 100% polyester yarn, the fabric is durable and resistant to yellowing or cracking from prolonged sun exposure. The built-in honeycomb structure includes an aluminum foil lining that enhances room darkening and insulation, keeping rooms cooler in summer and warmer in winter. The cordless design ensures safety for children and pets while maintaining a clean and elegant look. Allesin shades are also easy to maintain. Simply use a cloth, feather duster, or soft brush vacuum to remove dust. Sizing is precise, with the shades shipped exactly to the dimensions ordered, and installation is straightforward whether mounted inside or outside the window frame. With attention to both functionality and style, Allesin offers a honeycomb shade that balances aesthetic appeal, safety, and energy efficiency. These shades provide a sophisticated, practical solution for anyone seeking a modern, blackout-ready window treatment that enhances comfort and privacy. Number 4. ACHIM Honeycomb Shade. The ACHIM Honeycomb Shade offers a versatile top-down, bottom-up design that allows you to control light and privacy simultaneously. This cordless cellular shade ensures child and pet safety while maintaining a streamlined appearance. Made with soft, durable honeycomb pleated cells, It provides insulation to help regulate indoor temperatures year-round, or lift or lower the top handle to adjust the upper portion, offering maximum flexibility. This shade combines practicality with modern aesthetics, delivering energy efficiency, privacy, and style. Its cordless construction, durable fabric, and easy-to-operate design make the ACHIM Honeycomb shade a reliable choice for families or anyone looking to enhance their home with a functional and attractive window covering.
Number 5. CALYX Honeycomb Shade. The CALYX Honeycomb Shade is a high-performance cellular window covering that combines blackout capabilities, privacy, and energy efficiency. Designed to fit inside the window frame precisely, this shade blocks 100% of incoming light while maintaining total privacy, ideal for bedrooms, home offices, or media rooms. Makes it an ideal choice for anyone seeking a stylish, practical window treatment that improves comfort and privacy without compromising on quality or appearance. All 5 Honeycomb shades deliver a perfect blend of style, functionality, and safety. From LazBlinds' quick install design to CALYX total blackout performance, each option provides energy efficiency, privacy, and child-safe cordless operation. Whether you want light filtering, insulation, or a modern aesthetic, these shades enhance any room, offering a convenient, durable, and attractive solution for every home.